Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to take high-quality rear camera selfies on Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's begin! Okay, so let's say that you want to take a nice selfie. Now, obviously on most phones you would just open your camera application and simply switch the camera. Hi there! But that's pretty stupid. I mean, come on, you have a very powerful phone worth quite a lot of money with 200 megapixel camera. So let's actually put that camera into use. But before we do that, we first want to unfold our device. Just like that. And now you want to open your camera. So as you can see, we have our ability to take photos. And now, if you want to take a nice selfie of ourselves using this camera, which is the cool camera, we want to locate a little button here in the top right corner. As you can see, it looks like basically have a phone, and what it does, it will enable cover screen preview. So now, if I will rotate my device, I will do a face reveal. Amazing! But as you can see, with that, we have a nice way for us to take cool photos with the rear camera. Hello there. But obviously, there is a pretty hard way for you to actually do that. Technically, we could swipe it, and now we have the ability to take photos with that, but we actually lose a lot on stability. So instead, I will rotate. Oh, that's funny. I will rotate my phone once again. I will enter settings by clicking these 4 dots in the left side and then hitting cog wheel icon. Now in here, we want to scroll down a little until we'll see a section called shooting methods. And here you have few options. By default, voice commands and show palm should be enabled, so technically speaking, you could do a photo, or in our case, a selfie, with a voice command like smile, cheese, capture or shoot, or showing palm. I will actually test both of these since I do think they are pretty funny. We could also enable floating shutter button, but I will disable it since it can be pretty annoying sometimes. Anyway, let's go once again. We want to open our camera settings on our inside screen, then enter this cover screen preview. Then we can rotate our device, so we have a nice way of previewing our photo. Now I can, for example, try to show a palm in order to do a nice selfie. So I will do something like this. And as you can see, that works without any issues. And if we would go back here, oh, actually we can just do this, which is pretty cool. And we have a nice high quality selfie. Look at this beautiful quality. Like, amazing. That's cool. That's so funny to me. Face reveal, let's go. But yeah, this is how you can actually use the rear camera, which is a very powerful camera, and use it for your good. Use it for making very high quality selfies, which is an option that's usually not available on other devices, especially if you do not have like a selfie stick or anything. So yeah, I hope that this tutorial helped you. Go on and do some crazy high quality selfies. And remember to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.